This is your moral values book, Value Education with Yoga, Class 1. Good morning, dear kids. Now, today we will do Chapter 4. Be clean means saaf raho. Be healthy means tandurust raho. Right? Now, we've come to first one exercise, jumble words. Now, what we have to do in this? First, we have to rearrange these alphabets in their proper place, and then we will get a meaningful word. All these jumble words are coming from the book side only. ये सारे jumble words book में से ही हैं. Right? Now come to first one word. RAEYL. Now arrange these alphabets in their proper place. इन्हें सही जगह पे हमें रखना है. It may be REALY. Really? No, this is not the meaning. Okay. EARLY. Early. Right. We should sleep early in the night. Early means जल्दी. हमें जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए. We should awake early in the morning. हमें जल्दी उठ जाना चाहिए. Right. EALCN. EALCN. Arrange this alphabet. Okay, I will give you one hint. We should keep ourselves dash. हमें अपने आप को कैसा रखना चाहिए? Clean, right. This is the word clean. CLEAN, clean. So we have to write clean over there. ENTA. Rearrange this alphabet. Okay, I will give you one more hint. In this chapter, Nisha always wear dash clothes. Now in dash, in space, this word will be fit. Tell me the word. Yes, right. Nisha always wear neat clothes, neat and clean clothes. This is the word neat, NEAT, neat. So we have to write neat over here. Identify the word. BHATIS. Rearrange the alphabets. HABITS. Yes, habits. Yes, habits. We should always follow good habits. हमें अच्छी आदतों को फॉलो करना चाहिए. Now come to next one word. EHLAHYT. This word comes in the name of the chapter also. Be clean, be healthy. Yes, this is the word healthy. 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 Healthy means swasth. Right. Okay, now come to next exercise. Fill in the blanks. Mosquitoes spread dash. Mosquitoes क्या फैलाते हैं? Mosquitoes से क्या फैलती है? Diseases. Yes, so you have to write diseases over here. Spelling is DISEASES. Diseases. Right. We should sleep dash in the night. This one is very easy. You all know the answer. Yes, we should sleep early in the night. EARLY, early. Right. Never forget to dash your hairs. Never forget to. What do you have to do daily with your hairs? Comb. Right. Never forget to comb your hairs. COMB, comb. We should keep our room dash. हमें अपने रूम को कैसे रखना चाहिए? Dirty. We should keep our room dirty. Right? No, this is not the right answer. We should keep our room clean or neat. Now come to next one. Do not eat dash food. हमें कैसा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए? Do not eat uncovered food. जो फूड ढका हुआ नहीं होता वो हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए, चाहे घर पे हो या बाहर हो. राइट. यू कैन राइट अनहेल्दी फूड ऑल्सो. यू कैन राइट डू नॉट ईट जंक फूड ऑल्सो. हमें जंक फूड भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. राइट. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Do these exercises in your notebook and send me the pic. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.